If you've ever set foot on a weight room floor, you've probably heard guys touting the muscle-building benefits of creatine. Maybe you're even thinking about experimenting with the supplement yourself. The benefits, after all, are supposed to bring you more muscle and strength. But because nobody should put anything in their body without weighing the benefits and risks, and there are a few risks creatine carries that you should be aware of, it's a good idea to educate yourself about the popular supplement. Hello, freaks. Hope you all are sound and healthy. So, we all want to know what creatine is. What are the benefits of creatine? Is creatine safe? How it works on the human body? To tell you everything, we will tell you everything in details in a series of videos. Today we will know about what is creatine and how does it works. Stay with us till the end, you will get all the answer today. Those who are new to our channel and those who still not subscribed us yet, please click the subscribe button now and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, as it will help you to remain connected with the Freaknfits. Creatine is a substance that is found naturally in muscle cells. It helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. Taking creatine as a supplement is very popular among athletes and bodybuilders in order to gain muscle, enhance strength, and improve exercise performance. Chemically speaking, it shares many similarities with amino acids. Your body can produce it from the amino acids glycine and arginine. Several factors affect your body's creatine stores, including meat intake, exercise, amount of muscle mass, and levels of hormones like testosterone and IGF-1. About 95% of your body's creatine is stored in muscles in the form of phosphocreatine. The other 5% is found in your brain, kidneys, and liver. When you supplement, you increase your stores of phosphocreatine. This is a form of stored energy in the cells, as it helps your body produce more of a high-energy molecule called ATP. ATP is often called the body's energy currency. When you have more ATP, your body can perform better during exercise. Creatine also alters several cellular processes that lead to increased muscle mass, strength, and recovery. Creatinine is mainly synthesized in the liver. The enzyme glycine transaminase transfers an amidine group from arginine to glycine, to give guanidinoacetic acid. This acid is then methylated by the enzyme guanidinoacetate methyltransferase to form creatine. The creatine is then carried via in the circulatory system to storage sites, 95% of which are in the skeletal muscle. There, about 60 to 70% of the creatinine is phosphorylated by adenosine triphosphate to form phosphocreatine, which stops the molecule from being transported across the plasma membrane and contains it within the muscle cell. When creatine is ingested via the diet, it is carried from the intestine to the appropriate storage sites. Creatine can improve health and athletic performance in several ways. In high-intensity exercise, its primary role is to increase the phosphocreatine stores in your muscles. The additional stores can then be used to produce more ATP, which is the key energy source for heavy lifting and high-intensity exercise. Creatine also helps you gain muscle in the following ways. Number 1. Boosted workload. Enables more total work or volume in a single training session, which is a key factor in long-term muscle growth. Number 2. Improved cell signaling. Can increase satellite cell signaling, which aids muscle repair and new muscle growth. Number 3. Raised anabolic hormones. Studies note a rise in hormones, such as IGF-1, after taking creatine. Number 4. Increased cell hydration. Lifts water content within your muscle cells, which causes a cell volumization effect that may play a role in muscle growth. Number 5. Reduced protein breakdown. May increase total muscle mass by reducing muscle breakdown. Number 6. Lower myostatin levels. Elevated levels of the protein myostatin can slow or totally inhibit new muscle growth. Supplementing with creatine can reduce these levels, increasing growth potential. Creatine supplements also increase phosphocreatine stores in your brain, which may improve brain health and prevent neurological disease. Creatine is a substance found naturally in your body, particularly in muscle cells. It is commonly taken as a supplement. Creatine gives your muscles more energy and leads to changes in cell function that increase muscle growth. Creatine is the #1 supplement for improving performance in the gym. Studies show that it can increase muscle mass, strength, and exercise performance. Additionally, it provides a number of other health benefits, such as protecting against neurological disease. Some people believe that creatine is unsafe and has many side effects, but these are not supported by evidence. In fact, it is one of the world's most tested supplements and has an outstanding safety profile. So, I wish this video would make you understand what is creatine and how does it work. We also learn about the benefits of creatine as well. If you have anything more to know, then please write to us in the comments below. In our next video, we will tell you about how you would use creatine, how much you need to boost your body, and lots of other things. That would be a very useful one for you all. Don't dare to miss that. Whoever still not subscribed to our channel, why not? Subscribe now and must click on the bell icon.